What's up, homies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about my 3-piece Simmons wheels for the Porsche that we're rebuilding. Now, this video is going to be in different days and stages because it's taking me longer than expected. So the first day, you're going to go visit Ronan from Raw Design. You're going to talk about the faces and the dilemma we're having with these wheels. He's going to give me some definitely negative news, but that's okay. Then you're gonna come back, you're gonna start, well, I'm gonna start stripping down the hardware and all the bolts. So you're gonna learn about that. You're also gonna learn how to take out dings and scratches out of your aluminum wheels or the lips from dry sandpaper to polishing. And then we're gonna disassemble all the wheels completely. I have a lot of projects, as you can see, even the Harley back there, which is a good thing because it keeps content going, but I'm very busy and I'm trying to film all this stuff. So if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment at the end of the video, and I hope you got some education for rebuilding your own set of wheels if you ever do end up buying them. But I'll see you guys at the end of this video. See ya. That's how they're going for now. It works. They're safe. It is what it is. Okay, I'm already dirty. That's great. But if I'm off to see a professional who does this for a living, I'm gonna get him to see these hardware and give me some recommendations on making it as easy as possible to polish these things. All right, I got some time to kill. There's a train going by, but yeah, today is all about dropping off the faces to Roro, showing him the lips for polishing, showing him the bolt. All right, train. And then going back home and doing work because I have a work day. So this is like a 2-hour break for me, which is really nice to own my own business and to do the things I want to do because it gives me the freedom to do this. But I also know that there's client projects that need to be finished, so I have to do them as soon as possible. All right, I finally showed up. It was a bit of a hectic drive going through construction. A couple guys were laughing at me, but Ronan's right here, man. We're at his shop, Raw Design, and I'm gonna show him what I got cooking up for the wheels, and hopefully he can give me some advice and we can pick the color, but we're not gonna tell you guys what the color is yet. So we're gonna do this right now. I know. Oh, that's a bummer. Dude, look at that. How did they fuck that up?
Any shock to this, like if you're flipping it around, putting it on the floor, if you're polishing this and you put any pressure, you're never gonna catch a tear in this. And you're gonna put a tire on, put it on the car, and it's gonna leak. And you're never gonna catch it until the tire's on, then you're taking tires. It's like, you might as well do the insurance now. It's already micro moved enough taking these out. Doing this, I know. Like,
so what Ronan's saying now is I have to take these, disassemble them, separate them, put them back together, seal it. But also, one thing I didn't consider was this is a clear coat. So to do it properly, I have to remove it, wet sand, do all the steps and stages.
Not typically wet sand, so I've been polishing. I actually started polishing before I even knew what powder coat was.
Okay.
I used to start at 80 grit because I didn't know any better. And then I used to go from 80 grit down all the way to wet sand 3000.
Yeah, but 80 grit would
but
be
I
too
typically
dense,
start now at 240. I go 240, 320, 400, 600,
That's what I picked up.
800 and then buff straight from 800.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so when you got the proper, compounds and all the buffing wheels, it just gets rid of all those 800 marks. So I don't do anything wet, it's just all dry with the proper rotary tools, grinders, DA sanders.
See, I don't have any of those tools, so I'd be doing it by hand.
And I have a machine that you mount the wheel to, and it spins like a continuous wheel balancer. So I can just hold the machine to it, and it does all the spinning for me.
Yeah, I know.
To do it by hand, trying to leave it on your desk is, or by
That's how I'm doing it.
Yeah. It's,
so there's no, so I think as of right now, in this decision, in this office, I'm just going to buff them, put them back together nicely, and be okay with some dings and dents, because my car gets driven a lot too.
Yeah.
So there's no point.
The constant maintenance of polished lips is insane. I've done it.
See, that's not me.
I regret it immediately.
That's not me at all, because then I'm gonna be buffing my black paint, which I have never done still since this day. I don't care. I drive the piss out of my car.
Every car I own is black, and I don't know how that happened.
Yeah.
I don't take care of them because it's a nightmare.
I think at the end of the day, it's just get the faces powder coated, polish up all the hardware because it won't take much, polish up the lips, slap them together when I come back, and call it a day.
Wow, you got shit fixed. Wow.
We can't really show you the color we picked, so it's going to be a surprise in the next couple videos, but I trust Ronan to do the damn best job he can do with what he's given for this beautiful thing.
We're going to use some 320 now. Take out these high spots, then 600, and then we're going to use 1500, and then we're going to buff again. This is all dry to get out all of these imperfections here. Driving me nuts. Let me see if I can